Make $20 unlimited amount of time, spending only 4 minutes. Sounds great? I guess it is. So in this case, I will tell you a strategy where you don't need to make work by yourself. Other people will make your pocket much bigger than it's now. We're gonna be doing something called drop servicing, and I've already tried it, and it's already made me some cash. But of course you'll need to do some stuff in order to be able to receive this money, because not everything is literally for free, or you won't need to make the main routine work by yourself. We're gonna be smart and we use other person's knowledge and skills. To maximize your results, I will show you 4 websites that you can combine and use at the same time. And I will always repeat, guys, subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell to see more money making strategies like this, and help our channel grow and to make more people better. Also, leave a like to this video to save it in your liked videos on YouTube. I really need your thumbs up, guys. Comment down below, I'm subscribed, and I will answer to all your comments. Appreciate if you will do this. Let's start. So first platform that I found out is smth.com. On this platform, people provides different digital services for a very affordable price. And I saw only a couple of videos about this website on YouTube, so there are not so many information about it. So watch this video till the end in order to not to miss something important, and follow my instructions step by step, and you will be able to make it. It is very similar to drop shipping, where you find some product, for example on eBay, that is quite cheaper than the same product on Amazon, for example, and you can resell it. We're gonna be using the same strategy but only with a service. That's why you don't need any upfront investments or any skills, and you would be able to repeat it again and again and again. So yeah, as I mentioned, the website is smth.com, and first you need to do is to create an account in this website. So you have a blue button here, join. You need to create a username, type your email, create a password, confirm the password, and then continue. Then I want you to find here that marketplace button, and you need to choose business card design. So once you click on it, it will lead you to the page where hundreds of people provide these design services. We have 17 pages with people who can provide us with such service. We see that for cheap price, people are offering quite professional designs. Take a look. I will design a modern business card for you, just for $5, guys. Then $8, $5, even $1, and this man has 100 reviews, and 99% of them are positive, so we definitely can use it. So the next step, we need to find a platform where we can resell such service, and the first platform is Fiverr.com. Probably you heard about this website. This site is all about people who know something or have some skills such as graphic design, and they are looking for any orders to make their living, and I guess there are thousands of them on this site. So as always, you need to create an account to start using the platform. Here you got a button join. You can do it with typing your email and creating a password, or you can just connect your Facebook or Google account, which is very convenient. And even here we got Apple, of course, if you have an Apple account. Once you finish your registration, you need to find graphics and design, and we need business cards and stationery. And now as we see here, people selling these card designs for $10, $20, even $40, and even $150 per design. So let's choose this person who's selling for $40. This person has 165 reviews, so that means that he or she have sold, I guess, over 300 of these designs, because even not half of your customers will leave a review on your products. So this might be around $12,000, but 20% of this takes Fiverr. But even after this is a very good amount of money. So as I say, you can post your offer here, and of course probably you need to make price a little bit lower, maybe $20 or $25. And once again, you don't need any upfront investments. When someone buys your product, you'll receive this money. For example, you put a $25 price and you receive $20. You take them and all requirements that your customer gave you, go back to smth.com and you purchase the design of business card telling all requirements that you need, and that's all. You have $19 profit. I think this is a great opportunity to make some money online. It will take you a few minutes and provide you with some good amount of money. And also, as I said, you can use the platform upwork.com and freelancer.com. On freelancer.com, you click here to earn money freelancing to create an account, and as always you can use your email and create a password, but also you're able to connect your Facebook account and continue with it. On upwork.com, you go here, sign up, and you can continue with Google or just type in your email. And yeah, so basically these platforms are the same as Fiverr. Using all of them you can maximize your amount of orders and your money. So please don't forget to check all your accounts in order not to miss any customers. At these platforms your account are like a snowball. You receive more customers if you have a lot of reviews and a lot of finished projects. So I hope this is a great opportunity to make money online for you. Even if you don't have any skills or any special software, if you have a lack of time, I hope you appreciate my work by giving it a thumbs up, leave a like please to this video, comment down below that you like it, or maybe you have some questions or you want to write comment I'm subscribed, and subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate it, and I strongly recommend you to watch these two videos about how to make money online. See you next time.